Imagine giving your baby food that seems healthy, but could actually be hiding some dangerous secrets. Here at Genius Infusion, we've uncovered some shocking facts about commercial baby food. Did you know many baby foods are packed with harmful heavy metals like lead and arsenic? These can mess with your baby's brain development, potentially lowering their IQ and causing behavioral issues as they grow. That's scary, but there's more. Many commercial baby foods are loaded with added sugars and salts. While this makes them taste good, it can set your baby up for a lifetime of unhealthy cravings and even contribute to problems like obesity and high blood pressure later on. And let's not forget pesticides. Even small amounts of these chemicals in baby food can affect your baby's nervous system, leading to long-term health issues. But it's not just baby foods. Processed foods are a problem for all of us. Think about all those extra sugars, unhealthy fats, and salt in convenient snacks and meals. They can quickly lead to obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. On top of that, these foods often lack essential nutrients and fibers, and are full of artificial preservatives and colorings. These additives can cause allergies, hyperactivity, and might even increase cancer risk. But here's the bright side from Genius Infusion. You can make a big difference by choosing homemade baby foods and whole natural foods for everyone in your family. It's time to go back to the basics: fresh fruits, veggies, and grains to keep everyone healthy and happy. Let's ditch the processed stuff and start cooking up some real goodness for our loved ones.